Hi, it's Jody here from Joli Natural Skincare, and today I wanted to show you how to apply mineral based powder for your lips. So we get a nice colour on our lips naturally. Okay, to begin with, I have quite pale lips. They haven't been blessed with ruby coloured lips or anything like that, definitely not Snow White. So if you're going for a natural look, you want to go with a colour using a mineral lip pencil. You want to go for a colour that is very near the colour of your own lips. Alternatively, if you're going, say, for a night on the town, you want something a little bit darker, then you might go for a red. So we'll start off with a red. Following along your natural line. Now if you're like me and you're not blessed with naturally full lips, you can go a little bit down the line under your natural lip area for a sort of more fuller lip effect. Now today for a mineral colour I'm going to be using a nice dark, there it is, cherry red colour. And you want to apply with a brush. Alternatively, you can use your fingertip as well, because sometimes that helps it go on a little bit better without it falling halfway down your chin. So as you can see, I'm just applying that in dabs. If you wanted a more fuller lip, you can re-go over your lines, but I'm going to leave it as is. And then to finish off, I use a moisturising lip balm by Joli. Just to sort of seal that colour on there and give my lips that really long-lasting moisturising stain power, which is what you want. You don't want your lips drying out during the day. And of course you could finish it off with a nice lip gloss as well to help give the lips some gloss and some shine. And another benefit to using lip pencils is that it helps stop the bleeding, which unfortunately as we get a little bit older tends to happen. So anyway, that's my tutorial on how to do your lips naturally. If you have any questions, drop me a line.